everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with day number 27. So I am working today on the back side of day number 26, which, oh, that's right. The number for this one is right there. I forgot about that. I'm looking for it. So the page lays under this this envelope with the journaling, which I haven't done yet because it's gifts from clients for me. So I will definitely get that done. No big deal. And I'm going to pull this out so I remember to do that actually. This is the card that I'm going to use to do that. It says wish list, which obviously it's not a wish list, but it is a list and it's Christmas presents. Anyway, so back to day number 27. So day number 27, I worked today and I worked a long day. So today I'm going to do one of those things where I just document things about the Christmas season that I want to remember. And I have a Cricut, learned in November how to make shirts using vinyl. And I made lots of shirts for presents, and I made lots of shirts for myself. These are 2 presents. These are things for myself, including, this was on Sunday before Christmas. Christmas was on Wednesday. I worked Monday, and Tuesday I didn't have time. I decided to whip up a Christmas t-shirt. So I did that. I'm going to wear it at least twice more, actually, for the season. So here's what I'm going to do. This is the back side of this is 1 4x6 and 2 3x4s. And I have 3 more photos. If I do this, I don't have a space to journal. So what I'm going to do, I saw Shamel do this a couple days ago. She took here it is. There's a page protector here that's 4 3x4s. I'm actually going to cut this, I cut it in half. So it's just going to be 2 3x4s, and then tomorrow I'll have an extra place for 2 3x4s, or maybe some just extra cards that I want to use, that kind of thing. And that's how I'm going to complete this day. So let's see. I like the idea of this being on its own. It was the last shirt I made. I didn't like the dark on top of this, but I'm okay with it on here because it's big. So I think this is how we're going to do this. I'm just going to pop these in here because we'll see. Well, actually, let's not pop them in there because I may put stuff on top of them. So this will go on the back side of the card behind it. And I have a lot of space on this to write, like make, put stickers or that kind of stuff on it. I also, if it doesn't fit, which it doesn't, it's too big, I have space to cut down here. I'm just I can kind of see the photo through here. So I'm gonna kind of look at this and do it. Well, I was gonna do it that way, but I put it on Cricut. Let's try this again. Okay. So then I'm just going to cut this down here so that it fits on the back of this photograph. And I'm liking how, let's see, still a little big here. And I just hand cut these. You don't have to, but I do. Okay, so I have that. Now, I need journaling space, and I went through my 3x4 cards, and sorry, I kind of did that while I was waiting for the pictures to print, and I really like this one because there are actually 5 shirts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can use it to kind of sort of document. So I'll document this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And I like that. I like how it documents each shirt, and I can talk about maybe why I made it, or that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do with this one. And these occurred over time from, I don't remember if I did, these were the first ones of these that I made, and I don't remember exactly when that was. It might have been in November, but they are Christmas presents, so I'm going to document them as well. Now, I need some paper, and I'm thinking green. There's already a lot of red in here. So I'm going back to my 6x6 Cozy and Bright pad here to try to find some green. And I think I want a solid patterned green here. That's okay, but I think it's too solid. I'm kind of hoping for some pattern. I know I had a green dot. I like that better. It's a little sophisticated or something for the page, but it's okay. Okay, so that's it. I was thinking of this green dot, which I don't have anymore. So that will be just fine. We'll do it as is. I do need my number, which today is a banner. So let me cut this piece first. I'm going to, let's see, and I'll pull out this. Hopefully they should be back to back because this was on a piece that I had to cut as well. And as we'll put those together. Yep, that looks good. Yep, good, back to back here. Okay, so we're gonna go back here. On the other side, I'd actually put something on the outside of the pocket. Okay, so we're doing it like this. I do need my number for the day, and in this case, it's a banner, which I'm not loving here, honestly, guys, because it would be so much better if it was like this, which I've had problems putting those on lately. Now, I could do something like this and hold it down. I don't love that. I don't know that I want to take up room, but I think I'm going to put it on this card here. That just feels a little bit better to me for some reason. Otherwise I'm like putting it kind of on the photograph, and I don't love that. So now I have lots of other, like, room for other things here. I did bring out my my like stickers here. So like this is a busy time of year, would be perfect for this because it was very busy. Eat Sleep Presents would also be another good one. So I'm going to do this on this one to take up some room down here. And I'm going to use that Eat Sleep Presents because this is not a present, but the shirts down here are. And I just kicked my wastebasket over. That's fun. Okay. Comfort and joy, wonderful. Here Comes Santa Claus is kind of cute as well. Although that would have been better here. Oh, I know. Feeling Festive would be great for that one. Because I am feeling festive. That's my festive shirt. Let's see if we can get this down here a little bit. Okay. These are bad to take up though, so I may have to leave this crooked. We'll see. These are, once they stick, they're kind of stuck. Okay, I think we're good there. Good enough anyway. Okay, so there's feeling festive, one more sleep. This one goes on. I'm going to cut this. See how the shirt is like partially there? I'm going to do the same thing to the other side to give it a little bit more exposure, the paper more exposure. And then I think I will just put this on here. We need something else because this is kind of a plain page and it's not any more of those stickers. I'm thinking I'd like something on here. Thankful, tis a season could be cute. I also have one that says good cheer found here. So 'tis the season, like 'tis the season for creating. And good cheer found here. I like that sentiment, but I think this is a better size. Okay, so there's the puffy sticker there. Now I'm thinking I want some maybe enamel dots on this one, or enamel shapes. And I have these Illustrated Faith enamel hearts in the apple of my eye color, and I'm thinking those might be good to add in here just to get a little something on each of these. And I'm just going to add them to the end of each of these 3 sentiments. They're all different sizes. I think that one feels a little big. I have this little one here. And I think we'll do that. Okay. So actually, I really like how this looks. I think that's good, guys. So again, another fairly simple page, but story told, photographs included, and these are some of the photographs that I've had for a while that have been waiting, so I'm happy that those are done. I will be back tomorrow with day number 28. Bye, everybody.